So I'm at the National Orchid Garden. This one's for you, Mum, and all the gardeners out there that love gardening. It's a funny story, eh? My mum loves gardening, and I've got heaps of orchids. She just looks after hers so much. They don't seem to go real well, and me, I just put them in my spot, and they just go bananas. So it's a little bit of friendly banter between me and my mum, who likes to tell me she's got a big green thumb, and I like to play the joke that, the competitive joke that her and I have a little bit with each other. So this is the orchids, there's a heap of them. So I'm just gonna do my best to show you. And if you want to see more of them, you'll have to either ask me in the comments or to take another video, or come over here yourself. Luckily, Laikim will sort you out and bring you here. So this is the entrance. I haven't gotten far. Mum reckons these are, supposed to be pretty fancy. I don't really know. I just grow them. Look at all the orchids in there. Hundreds of them. Lilies, that's the, oh, there you go. Our orchids are the most unique and exotic in the world. So that must be where they start them off, and then they move them into here and, keep them, breed them up over there. Oh, it's just thousands and thousands of them. Super cool. They just keep going and going. I had no idea this is how many there'd be in here. Here's one here that just started it here on this, it's like a tree fern trunk. Just nailed them on with a bit of that galvanised U-bolt there, a bit of wire or something like that. Geez, these are huge. Look at those flowers. Those ones. I don't know any of the names. These are cool. I could make some names up. I think that'd be wasting our time. So this looks like somewhere where you might have come in. Well, that's the bird sanctuary over there. So there must be some kind of extra car park, and you can enter this way. Oh, there's the National Orchid Gardens. Okay, so you can enter from the adventure park or from over its own special, spot. So this is the. I'm going back the way I just came. It must be the bird sanctuary. Must be over there. Hello. Okay, mate. Now here we go. This is new ground. There's just thousands and thousands and thousands of them. I guess if you love orchids, you're probably having a great time right now. And if you don't, you're probably wondering about all the different orchids. And you'd probably be, oh, how cool is that big butterfly there? There's supposedly a butterfly exhibit around here too. So anyway, back to it. You probably wonder, oh, look at these ones. These are cool. They're different. No flowers on these ones. Oh, there's a couple. There's one over there. Oh, look at the size of this orchid. It's a decent sized one. Look at the size of it, it's huge. I've never seen an orchid that big. That is a seriously large orchid. Oh, here's These are pretty interesting, eh? Really big flowers and big bulby things. Huh. Look at that one. Quite a lot in there. Oh, here's something. I don't know what this is. It's a supposedly very rare and elusive species. Now, if you like orchids and rare and elusive species, you're probably having a great time watching this. And I'm glad for you. Sorry I can't add any more value other than walking you around and showing you the orchids. We'll go this way, eh? It's a cool garden. Incredibly long stems, almost like a woven, well, it looks like it'll be in the future like a woven fence of roots and leaves. It's a cool looking one. There we go. Some more flowers. Hope I'm shining things on the right stuff. More flowers and looks like a little top-notch bird, this one. I think it's an orchid though. No, it's not an orchid. No, I wouldn't actually know. It looks like a ginger actually. That's what it looks like. I don't know if you can buy any of them. We came in up over there before and turned around, so sort of down the end. So cool aviary of birds in here. Very cool. Red and green ones, there's the green ones over there. There's a couple of hornbills over there. Can you see the hornbill there? And one there. They're really cool. So that's about it for the orchid garden. I'll give you a walk all the way out. Looks like there's a new exhibit getting put in. Well, here we go. So I'm going to give you a little bit of a run through of the boards here. Hopefully you could read that. This one says how to grow them. Well, these guys look like they seem to know how to grow them. So, probably useful. It's a notice board, not quite sure what that means. I'm pretty certain the orchids aren't putting anything on the notice board, so I've got a couple more up there. Oh, some more orchid species. And that's it. I might just do this one again, just in case I didn't get it close enough or couldn't read it, huh? So here we go, on the way out now. And if I've pointed you in the wrong direction, haven't shown you the thing you really, really want to see, because, you know, you're an orchid nerd and I am not, I apologise. Like I said earlier, you know, you can come with us, Laikim PNG to PNG. We will take you here and you can take all the footage you want of every orchid that you think's the super awesome stuff. We'll take you on all sorts of, g'day. Hello. Hello. We'll take you on all sorts of adventures. Meet all the super friendly people here in PNG. Hey, hello.
Hello.
Hey boys.
Bye.
Bye. Okay. Look how friendly they are. They just love getting on the camera. The legends. So that's it. We're back to the start. Hope you loved it. See you in the next video.